Hi there, students. To banish, a verb, banishment, the noun. So to banish is to send somebody away and forbid them to come back. You are banished. Go away and never come back. To exile, to force somebody to leave a country or a place by official order. This word, or the original meaning, is more from classical times or from the medieval era. The king could execute his enemies, or he could just banish them from the kingdom, leave the kingdom and never come back. So to banish, to send away with an order, an official order, never to come back. He banished all his enemies from their country. Their banishment was instead of execution. But today we use banish figuratively mostly, meaning to drive something away, particularly something in your mind. He lit a candle and banished the darkness. Or maybe once the darkness was banished, that banished his fears. A couple of drinks will banish the worst of your sorrows. Okay? He banished all doubts and fears and continued on his way. So to banish, to chase away, to dispel, to drive away, to drive off, to force out, to kick out, to throw out, to ban, to cast out, or even to shun. She was angry and he was banished from the bedroom. Banish all thoughts of failure and you will succeed. The kids were banished to their bedroom because they were behaving badly. Yeah, so to banish, to make go away. Banish your fears. Banish the darkness. Banish your nerves. Maybe a new government policy to banish economic troubles. They'd love to be able to banish COVID, but they can't. So, to banish, either to expel somebody from a country by official proclamation, or to expel or to drive something away, especially from the mind. So, if you're going to speak good English, banish all nervousness and accept that you're going to make a mistake or make mistakes. So, let's see, to banish, a regular verb. He banished all fears. He has banished any possibility of this happening. And then the next question, how formal? I think I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7. It sounds pretty literary, yeah? I think informally I'd use to drive away, to kick out, to ban, something like that. But otherwise, use it semi-formally or formally. If you use it in the pub, you're going to sound a bit weird. And then as to origin, well, there was a Middle English word, banishen, banish. You have a French word, bannir, and this comes from a Proto-Germanic word, banana, sounds like banana, to curse or forbid. So to banish, to expel somebody from a country and tell them they can't come back, or to make something go away, particularly fears in the mind or thoughts. Yeah, so to dispel all depressing thoughts, banish all depressing thoughts. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. banish.